I have a trending topic for you today. What should be the first planning agenda when you've retired and paid off your home? If this applies to you or someone you know, please listen closely. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. We help folks find peace of mind by providing the utmost value every day, like this free video. We're here to educate everyone, and we'd ask you to drop your questions and share so that together we can help some folks along the way. First, once you have fully paid off your mortgage, you know the equity in your home is the same as the value in your home, right? It's every dollar in that value is available to you to take out a loan, take out a line of credit, and use at some point for yourselves in a personal manner, whether that's to do a new home improvement, travel, what have you. However, if you do not intend on taking out the equity for personal things, and other than passing it along to the next generation or your chosen beneficiaries, you're not going to utilize it or don't intend to, there is a way you can insulate the home from being used to cover unexpected costs later, such as long-term medical needs. Now, how are you going to do this? In short, a trust. In my opinion, it doesn't necessarily matter either if you have long-term care insurance in place. While those policies are really very good, often, and I'll say maybe 2 in 20 years, I have seen covers the entire cost. So what does that mean, right? Even if you have insurance, which not a lot of people do because it is a pretty cost, saturated endeavor to have long-term care insurance in different capacities, even in different forms. And so without cash flow, a lot of people don't have this insurance. But if you do, many don't cover the actual full cost. So over time, your income then is going to go towards that care should you need it or other unexpected costs. And if your income, along with insurance, if you may have it, doesn't cover it, then it's going to slowly chip away at your assets. And by the way, if you don't have the insurance or very high income in your retirement, your assets are going to diminish faster. So placing your home in an asset protection trust, it's an irrevocable trust where you're designating someone else as a trustee, which this type of trust is available in most states in some form or another. It can allow you to continue living in that home while you pay the maintenance, have the taxes and property tax benefits based on your age, etc., and pass the property along to your beneficiaries via a protected way that essentially eliminates the capital gains tax for them if they sell it right away after your passing. Now, let's put it this way. I have a client who has long-term care insurance. He has solid retirement income, but they still wanted the asset protection trust for their home. Why would you say? Well, in our collective words, I can't remember if it was he or I who said it, but wearing a belt and suspenders is sometimes what you got to do in an uncertain future environment. It felt better to him, as it does to many folks, to say, even if I spend some of my own monies for those unexpected costs, at least a piece of what I've worked my life for will end up in the hands of my beneficiaries, my family, typically. So we hope that you've learned something new here today. Again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, and we practice estate planning. If you're in New York and New Jersey and you'd like to seek some assistance, we do offer free consultations. You can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Please, if you have a moment, share with others. Take care.